Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our learning show. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Learning English can feel like a big mountain to climb. But don't worry, we're going to climb together. Today we'll talk about keeping your English strong. We'll share simple tips that really work for learners. Whether you're just starting or already good, these ideas will help. So relax, listen, and let's begin our journey. Many English learners face the same problem every day. How do you keep practicing when life gets busy? Work, family, and other responsibilities take time. Your English study time gets smaller and smaller each week, sadly. But here's the good news for you. You don't need hours every day to make real progress happen. Small, consistent practice works better than long study sessions. Just 15 minutes daily can change your English completely. The secret is making English natural in your daily routine. Don't think of it as extra work to do. Change your phone settings to English right now. Listen to English music while you cook dinner or clean. Watch English videos during your lunch break. Read English news instead of your native language news every morning. These small changes add up quickly over time. Your brain gets constant English input without extra effort required. Your smartphone can be your best English teacher. Download apps that send you daily English lessons and practice. Set English podcasts to play during your commute. Listen to the same episode multiple times to understand better. Use voice recording apps to practice speaking. Record yourself reading English texts out loud every single day. Technology makes learning convenient and fun now. You can practice English anywhere, anytime you have a few free minutes. Learning alone is hard and sometimes boring. Find other English learners online or in your local community area. Join English conversation groups on social media. Practice writing comments in English on posts you find interesting today. Find a language exchange partner online. You help them with your language. They help with your English speaking. Having friends who understand your struggle helps. You can encourage each other and celebrate small victories together happily. Habits are powerful tools for language learning success. Start with one small English habit you can do easily. Maybe read one English paragraph every morning. Or learn 5 new words each day before going to sleep. Write 3 English sentences about your day. Or watch one short English video while drinking your morning coffee. Keep the habit small and simple first. Once it feels easy, you can slowly add more English practice to it. Many learners stop practicing because they fear mistakes. But mistakes are actually your best teachers and learning opportunities. Every native English speaker made thousands of mistakes. That's exactly how they learned to speak so well and naturally. Speak English even when you're not sure. Write English messages even if they're not perfect at all today. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. Each mistake teaches your brain the right way to use English. Write down what you learn each day. Keep a simple journal of new words, phrases, or grammar rules discovered. Record yourself speaking English once a week. Listen to old recordings to hear how much you've improved over time. Take photos of English books you finish. Celebrate when you understand a movie without subtitles for the first time. Seeing your progress motivates you to continue. Small improvements add up to big changes over many months of practice. Learning should be fun, not boring homework. Choose English content that interests you personally and makes you happy. Love cooking? Watch English cooking shows daily. Enjoy sports. Read English sports news and follow English-speaking athletes online. Play English video games or mobile games. Listen to English comedy shows that make you laugh out loud regularly. When learning is enjoyable, you'll want more. You'll naturally spend more time with English without forcing yourself daily. Language learning takes time, just like growing plants. You won't see results immediately, but they will definitely come. Some days will feel easy and successful. Other days will feel difficult and frustrating for your English learning journey. Both types of days are completely normal. The important thing is to keep going even when progress feels slow. Trust the process and be patient always. Your English is improving every single day, even when you can't feel it. Keeping up your English learning isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, patience, and making it part of life. Start small, use technology, find community support. Make mistakes, track progress, and most importantly, have fun with English learning. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your English journey is unique, so enjoy every step of this exciting process. Thanks for listening today, English learners. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next episode.